Alright guys, today we're gonna be reviewing this brand's shirts. They sent me a 3-pack, so I got a black one, a blue one right here, and this white one. So check them out. They have different colors. They have if you like all black, they have all black. If you like all white, they have all white. These are very comfortable. If you can see, it fits really nice. I'm about 190, 5'8". This shirt is extra large. I could go a little bit smaller, but I went with extra large. Like you see, round bottom, back in front. When you put your hands up, you're good. Your belly's not gonna be showing, or your underwear in the back. Breathable, stretchy. You can use it for the gym, for the beach, to go out, to go to a party, because it looks nice. So definitely recommend it. Go get yours. Check them out. They always got great deals and great clothes. So I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.